Oppo Reno 15 series goes global. Is Pakistan the next stop? Oppo has officially taken the wraps off its Reno 15 series for the global market, and if history is any indication, Pakistan could be next in line. The Reno lineup has always enjoyed strong popularity in Pakistan, especially among users who want stylish design, powerful cameras, and solid performance without paying flagship-level prices. With smartphone costs rising rapidly over the last few years, many Pakistani buyers are becoming more price-conscious. That's exactly where the Reno 15 series could shine. If Oppo decides to bring these phones to Pakistan, especially with local assembly, the pricing could be far more competitive by avoiding heavy import duties. While Oppo has not officially confirmed a Pakistan launch date yet, the Reno series has almost always arrived locally after its global debut. That makes the arrival of the Reno 15 lineup in Pakistan feel more like a matter of when, not if. A complete Reno lineup for different users. The Oppo Reno 15 family is quite broad this year, covering multiple segments of the mid-range market. The lineup includes Oppo Reno 15, Oppo Reno 15F, Oppo Reno 15 Pro, Oppo Reno 15 Pro Max. This strategy allows Oppo to target a wide range of users, from those upgrading from older mid-range phones to buyers who want premium features without crossing into ultra-expensive flagship territory. In this breakdown, we'll focus mainly on the Reno 15 and Reno 15F, as these models are most likely to attract mainstream buyers in Pakistan. Display: smooth, bright, and modern. Starting with the screens, Oppo has clearly prioritized display quality across the Reno 15 lineup. The Oppo Reno 15 features a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This means smoother scrolling, better animations, and a noticeably more fluid experience whether you're browsing social media, gaming, or watching videos. The Reno 15F comes with a slightly smaller 6.57-inch AMOLED display, but it offers nearly identical specifications. You still get full HD Plus resolution and a high refresh rate, making it a strong option for users who prefer a slightly more compact phone without sacrificing visual quality. Both phones include in-display fingerprint scanners, giving them a clean, modern look with fast and convenient biometric security. Software: Android 16 out of the box. One of the standout points of the Reno 15 series is software. Both devices run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16 straight out of the box. This gives users access to the latest Android features, improved privacy controls, smoother animations, and better system optimization. Oppo's ColorOS has matured significantly over the years, focusing on stability, customization options, and battery efficiency. All key factors for long-term usability. Performance: balanced power for everyday use. Under the hood, Oppo has taken a balanced approach to performance. The Oppo Reno 15 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, paired with LPDDR5 XRAM, which is faster and more efficient than previous generations. This setup is designed for users who want strong everyday performance, smooth multitasking, and reliable gaming at medium to high settings. The Reno 15 is available in 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, 12GB RAM with 512GB storage. Storage uses UFS 3.1, ensuring faster app loading times and smoother overall performance. On the other hand, the Reno 15F is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor combined with LPDDR4 XRAM. While it's not as powerful as the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, it's still well suited for daily tasks, casual gaming, and general use. The Reno 15F offers more flexibility in memory options: 8GB or 12GB RAM, 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB storage. This makes it more accessible to budget-conscious buyers. Camera setup: strong focus on photography. Cameras have always been a key selling point of the Reno series, and the Reno 15 lineup continues that tradition. The Oppo Reno 15 comes with a triple rear camera setup, 50MP main camera with autofocus and optical image stabilization OIS, 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, 8MP ultra-wide camera. The inclusion of a periscope telephoto lens in this segment is particularly impressive and gives the Reno 15 an edge over many competitors. The Reno 15F features a slightly simpler setup: 50MP main camera with OIS, 8MP ultra-wide camera, 2MP macro sensor. Both phones also include a 50MP front-facing camera, making them excellent options for selfies, video calls, and content creation. Battery life: built for long days. Battery performance is another major highlight of the Reno 15 series. Both the Reno 15 and Reno 15F pack a massive 6,500 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than what we usually see in this price range. Even better, Oppo includes 80W wired fast charging, allowing users to recharge quickly and get back to their day without long charging breaks. For Pakistani users who rely heavily on their phones throughout the day, whether for work, social media, navigation, or entertainment, this battery setup could be a major selling point. Global pricing and Pakistan expectations. In global markets, the Oppo Reno 15 starts at around $575 for the 12GB plus 256GB variant, while the 12GB plus 512GB version is priced at approximately $640. Oppo has not yet revealed official pricing for the Reno 15F, but it is expected to be noticeably more affordable, especially if it is locally assembled for the Pakistani market. If Oppo manages competitive pricing in Pakistan, the Reno 15 series could become one of the strongest contenders in the mid-range segment this year. Final thoughts. The Oppo Reno 15 series appears to be a well-rounded lineup that balances design, performance, cameras, battery life, and software without stepping into ultra-premium pricing. While official confirmation for Pakistan is still pending, the Reno series' strong track record makes a local launch highly likely. If Oppo gets the pricing right, the Reno 15 lineup could become a popular choice for Pakistani consumers looking for premium features at a reasonable cost. For now, all eyes are on Oppo, because the Reno 15 series might be arriving in Pakistan sooner than expected.